Hi, in this video I am going to solve few questions on HCF and LCM. Let's see the first question. Three men step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. The minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps is. Let's see the solution. See the three men which are stepping off from the same spot. Let this be the spot. Three persons. 1, 2, 3. And the steps measure 63. One person step is 63 centimeter. Other one is 70 centimeter. And the third one is 77 centimeter. So I need to calculate minimum distance each should cover and the distance in complete steps. So everyone should cover minimum distance with their complete steps. To calculate that we have to take LCM of 63, 70, 77 because the distance must be the least multiple of these three numbers. Least common multiple of these three numbers, that is LCM. According to prime factorization, 63 I can write as 7 into 9 is equals to 7 into 3 into 3. 70 I can write as 7 into 10 is equals to 7 into 5 into 2. 77 I can write as 7 into 11. These two are primes. Therefore, LCM is equals to. So whenever you are calculating LCM of the given numbers, you have to take product of the greatest powers of all the primes involved in these numbers. Product of the greatest powers of all the numbers involved in these, all the primes involved in these numbers. See why I said greatest power. Here 7 is there, 7 is there, 7 is there. For everywhere 7 is common and power is only 1. So I will take only 1 7. Then 3 square. Here 3 square is there. For example, somewhere only 3 is there. I should not consider that 3. Only highest power I have to consider. 3 square. Anyhow, no other 3's. 5. 2. 11. So 7 into 3 square 9 into 5 into 2 into 11. Simplify this. 7 9s are 63. 5 2s are 10. 10 11s are 110. If you calculate this, 0. 63 1s are 63. 6 left over. 63 1s are 63. 69. 6930 centimeters. So this is the least distance, minimum distance covered by all the three persons with their complete steps. Second question is, the sum of two numbers is 528 and their HCF is 33. The number of pairs of numbers satisfying the above condition is. Let's see the solution. HCF is 33. So HCF means what? Highest common factor of two numbers. Here we don't know the two numbers. So the two numbers are multiples of HCF. 33x and 33y. And sum of these two numbers is 528. 33x plus 33y is equals to 528. Take 33 common. X plus y is equals to 528. X plus y is equals to 528 by 33. Simplify this. You will get 33 ones are 33 and 16. Here I got two numbers sum. X plus y is 16. X plus y is 16. So The sum of two numbers is 16. Let the pairs are. Let the pairs are. See, I need to take two numbers. Pairs means two numbers. Pair means two numbers. And the sum of the two numbers is 16. 1, 15. If I take 2, 14 I will get. 2 plus 14 is equals to 16. But these two are not co-primes. See, I took two numbers are multiples of 33. So I took as 33x, 33y, where x comma y are co-primes. But here in this case 2 and 14 are not co-primes. So I cannot take 2 and 14. Next number 3. If I take 3, the rest number will be 13. These two are again co-primes. 4 plus 12. Again these two are not co-primes, so I cannot consider. 5, 11. 6, 10 I cannot take. 7 and 9. 8 I cannot take. 9, 7. Same as it is, these only will come. So the pairs are, these are the pairs. But numbers, hence numbers are, these are pairs. Which pairs? This is x value, this is y value. But numbers will be 33x, 33y. Numbers are 33 into, instead of x, 1. 33 into, instead of y, 15. 33 into 3, 33 into 13. 33 into 5, 33 into 11. 33 into 7, 33 into 9. So 33 ones are 33. 33 15s are 15 3s are 45, 45, 49, 495. 33 3s are 99. 33 13s, 13 3s are 39, 39 40, 40 429. 33 5s are 165. 33 11s are 11 3s are 33, 363. 33 7s are 21, 231. 9s are 7, 29. So these are the pairs of numbers. If you take these two, the sum will be, check here, 495, 33, 8, 2, 5, 528. If you take LCM of these two, you will get 33. For these two also sum, again you will get 528 and HCF will be 33. Like this one and this one. So for these four pairs only, if you take HCF, you will get 33, and if you add those two numbers, you will get 529. So the number of pairs are 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. These are the numbers. Third question is, a trader has three kind of oils of 25 liters, 55 liters and 125 liters. Find the least number of full casks of equal size required to store all the oil without mixing. First, we should note down the information. The trader has three kind of oils. Let it type 1 of 25 liters. Next, type 2 of 55 liters. Next, type 3 of 125 liters. Here I need least number of full casks. Least number of casks means maximum amount of oil. That means if I take maximum amount of oil, then only I can fill it in least number of casks. Therefore, to get maximum amount of oil, we have to take HCF of 25, 55 and 125. 25 I can write as, according to prime factorization, 5 into 5. 55 as 5 into 11. 125 as 5 into 5 into 5. So common factor, this is the highest common factor is 5. Therefore HCF is 5. Now what I want, I need type number of casks. For type 1, number of casks will be 25 by 5 is equals to 5. For type 2, 55 by 5 is 11. For type 3, 125 by 5 is equals to 25. So for individual oils, number of casks for type 1 is 5, for type 2 is 11, for type 3 is 25. Therefore, total number of casks is equals to 5 plus 11 plus 25 is nothing but 41. Next question is, the least number which is a perfect square divisible by each of 6, 12 and 18 is. Let's see the solution. See, for such kind of questions we have to find out the LCM of given numbers 6, 12, 18. Again, according to prime factorization, six I can write as 2 into 3, 12 I can write as 2 into 3, 18 I can write as 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, LCM is equals to, here I have to take greatest power of each prime. Here 2, here 2 square, 2. So I have to take greatest power 2 square. 3, 3, 3 square. Greatest power I have to take. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. 9 fours are 36. Here I want perfect square. See, this 36 is a perfect square, right? Therefore, the perfect square divisible by 6, 12, 18 is equals to 36. If they want perfect cube, how to do? Take LCM. LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here for square, pair is required. Already it is in pair, so that as it is LCM I took. But for perfect cube, I need 3 times. Here I have 2 in 2 times, 3 in 2 times only. So, perfect cube will be LCM into, here 1, 2 is missing to make it perfect cube, and 1, 3 is also missing. So, LCM is 36. 36 into 2 into 3. So, total it is 216. So, this is the least perfect cube divisible by 6, 12 and 18. So, 36 is the least perfect square divisible by 6, 12 and 18. Thank you.